Hey guys, how's it going? Wanted to jump on real quick, give you guys a couple of movement suggestions. I personally have pulled my lower back, so I'm learning how to manage the pain and also strengthen and stretch while just helping it heal. And along the way, I thought, hey, why not share what I've just learned? So, this is great. This is part of a yoga practice, okay? So of the yoga practice, but anyway, you can always do the C stretch, okay? Forward fold. So what I do is I usually inhale up, and exhale. And what I do is just make a C with my back, okay? And you can slowly reach for your feet, bending your knees all the while. So as you go, you can really feel where it may be tight, okay? Inhale, exhale, really, really good. And your belly button goes up to your lower back, you see, so it's really engaged, okay? You can also just flutter your knees back and forth, okay? The other one is to make sure that you're always kind of paying attention when you're reaching for things, that your knees don't go past your feet. So anything like this, and you're, picking something up, which is exactly what happened to me, and that is why I am where I am right now with my lower back being a little messed up. So what I thought could work too is just really seeing that like nice stretch. So you can do these tiny movements to the side like this. Okay, if you want to go even deeper into your stretch, you can also do something like this. Okay, all the while just making sure that your knees never pass your toes, making sure that your squat is nice. Oh wow, this is just really something I need to do. So, but that C is so good, okay? The other one that I thought would be great is this plank move. So again, you can always make it a little bit more tough by adding a little height to your plank, but we can really just start on the floor, okay? Low impact. This is a bar move, and so what we do is we go to cat-cow, okay, and then we extend one of our legs back, okay, so in this case it'll be my right leg. And what we do is we pick up our knees off the floor and hover, okay? This is such a great move, okay? So your right leg is extended, but your left knee is up to chest, and what you can do is little circles, like so, tracing a circle. This is so good. I can't even believe it. Even just 5 circles, 5 to the right, 5 to the left. It is amazing. And then you switch back to plank, and you bring your right knee to chest, okay? Of course, if this is a little too hard, you can always bring your right knee down again, but it really is something else when you start to do little knee kicks, and then maybe to your elbow, right? And then the circles. I mean, it is insane. Such a great way to strengthen. Now, bonus here, another one that you can use to strengthen, stretch your lower back, okay, I would say, is sort of a knee morning glory. They're called good mornings, okay? So you use that same forward fold, C, bringing your hands back behind your head, and you're doing these, okay? Now you can always add a little weight, okay? Maybe a 1 pound, 2 pound weight, all right? And then you can also do these standing up. So once more, slightly bend. These are great for that lower back. So those are my moves. Hope you can try them out and check them out, and stay easy and have fun, and we'll see you soon. Bye.